You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French, meaning sunflower. How do you say sunflower in French? Tournesol. Tourne meaning to turn, and sol is of course the sun, and you know how it turns with the sun, so this is literally what the word means. The name means tournesol. Tournesol is how you say sunflower in French. French pronunciation, sunflower, tournesol. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.